Welcome to this tutorial on how to search for exchange-traded funds in Interactive Brokers. First, you need to log into your Interactive Brokers account. Once you are logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you will enter the keywords or ticker symbols of the ETFs you want to find. Next, click on the search bar and type in the name of the ETF or its ticker symbol. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear with suggestions that match your input. You can either click on one of these suggestions or finish typing the full name or symbol and press enter. This action will take you to a page displaying the details of the ETF you selected. On the ETF details page, you will find information such as the current price, performance data, and other relevant metrics. You can also explore different tabs to access analytics, charts, and historical data. If you want to compare multiple ETFs, repeat the search process for other funds and open their detail pages in new tabs for easy access. Finally, if you decide to invest in an ETF, you can place a trade directly from these detail pages, look for the buy or sell options, and follow the prompts to complete your transaction. That's it for this tutorial on how to search for ETFs in Interactive Brokers. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.